Homemade American Pasta Alfredo recipe, creamy and delicious. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our multi-recipe and COOKERIES channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe for you that'll make your taste buds dance with joy. We're going to show you how to make a creamy and delicious American pasta Alfredo right in the comfort of your own kitchen. So, let's get started. Ingredients for the pasta: 8 ounces, 225 g, fettuccine pasta. Water for boiling. Salt for seasoning. For the Alfredo sauce: 1/2 cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter. 1 cup heavy cream. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 cloves garlic, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped parsley for garnish. Preparation Step 1: Boiling the pasta. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add a generous amount of salt to the boiling water. DD the fettuccine pasta and cook according to the package instructions or until al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta and set it aside. Step 2: Making the Alfredo sauce. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about a minute until fragrant. Pour in the heavy cream and let it simmer gently for 2-3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Gradually add the grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, the Parmesan is salty, so be cautious with the salt. Step 3: Bringing it all together. Add the cooked fettuccine pasta to the Alfredo sauce in the skillet. Gently toss the pasta in the sauce until it's well coated. Cook for an additional 2-3 minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Transfer the creamy pasta Alfredo to serving plates or bowls. Garnish with chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. If you like, you can sprinkle some extra grated Parmesan cheese on top. Benefits: 1. Comfort food. This homemade American pasta Alfredo is the epitome of comfort food. The creamy sauce combined with perfectly cooked pasta creates a dish that's soothing and satisfying. 2. Rich in flavor. The combination of butter, cream, and Parmesan cheese creates a rich and luxurious sauce that's bursting with flavor. 3. Customizable. You can customize this dish by adding cooked chicken, shrimp, or vegetables for extra protein and nutrients. 4. Quick and easy. This recipe comes together in under 30 minutes, making it a perfect option for busy weeknight dinners. 5. Impressive entertaining. Want to impress your guests? This pasta Alfredo looks and tastes like something from a gourmet restaurant but is made right in your kitchen. There you have it, a fantastic recipe for homemade American pasta Alfredo that's sure to become a family favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delectable recipes. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Happy cooking! Taste it! Thank you.